tissue, I blow my nose in. When I blow my nose, I sometimes feel like I can breathe again. I got a coughing, aching, stuffy head fever, speed and rest medicine. I got those swollen gland blues. I got a little red pill decongestion that makes me crazy. I've got electrolytes. I got codeine in my sight. I got wheezing and aggravation. And that is why I say, don't call me on the phone. I just want to be alone. I'm not leaving home. I've got the vodka and orange juice, you see. I hope the vodka helps me sleep. For the coughing and wheezing, the other is vitamin C. I got an aching pain in my joints, and I'm dizzy. Do you get the point? It just doesn't get any better. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I got wild blood shot eyes. I got a strong urge to cry, but I got no one to cry to, cry to, cry to. Oh man, please just leave me alone. I'm not leaving home. I think I'll drink a little more booze and get ready for my cruise.